Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can very easily create a fillable PDF form completely for free. I will teach you how to make a form like this, where you get normal text fields to write your name or anything, a field for phone number, an email box, a date of birth field, and gender selection options like male or female with a tick option. Along with that, there will be a drop-down selection where you can drop down and select any option according to your choice. And here you will also see multiple option selection where the user can select multiple options as per their need. For this, you will need a software called OnlyOffice. This software is completely free, there is no charge at all. You can do all Microsoft Office work in it even offline. I have already made a dedicated video tutorial on this, which you can find in the I button above and in the description below. If you don't want to watch the video, you can directly search OnlyOffice in your browser and download it. If you face any problem there, definitely watch the video, your problem will be solved. So, let's move towards the tutorial. After installing and opening OnlyOffice, you will see an interface where you have to click on the PDF form option. For example, here we will make a job application form, so I will give the name Job Application Form. I will increase the size a bit and make it bold so it looks professional. Then I will align it to the center. You can also change the text color or background color from here if you want. After that, press Enter once so the cursor moves to the next line. If it is showing in the center, press Backspace once so it moves to one side. First, we need personal information, so let's write personal information here. In personal information, whatever comes like name, phone number, email address, gender, I will type all these. I will fast forward the video a bit so it doesn't take too much of your time. After this, we need to add a text field next to full name. So I will give some space so that all fields added remain in one line and look good. You can adjust the space as per your convenience. Now you will see an option called text field above, with a small arrow below it. Click once on that arrow. Two options will appear. Select the inline option. After setting it, a text field will be added where you had given space. Then, go to the phone number section, give space, and above you will see the phone number option. Click on it. You can also add a text field if you want, but this will look more professional, so I will add this one. Similarly, go to email, give space, and add the email option. For date of birth, add the date and time option. Now the text fields are ready. Next is the gender section. Here we will add radio buttons so that users can tick their choice. This will make the form look better. Click on the radio button option. One radio button will be added here. Then give space and write male. Again, give some space and add another radio button above and write female next to it. Now the user can just tick and select, no need to type manually. Now, if you want, you can change the outline color or background color of these boxes from here. By the way, I will keep it on the default setting. Our personal section is complete. Now let's move to the next section, which is address. Here I will add city, street address, postal code, state, and country. In city, give some space and add a text field. Similarly, for street address, add a text field, and for postal code, add the postal code option. For state, we can add a normal text field, but to make it look more professional, we will create a drop-down menu so the user can select their state based on their location. You will see the drop-down option above. Click on it. The option will be added. On the right side, you will see a tab called Value Options. Click on it and add values as per your choice. I will add some state names like New York, California, Washington. Now if you check, all the values you added will appear in the drop-down and the user can select any option. You can also change the placeholder text, the text shown inside the field. To do this, select the field, go to the placeholder option on the right side and type the text you want to display. Click outside once to apply the change. Similarly, you can change other options as per your need to make the form look even better. For country, we will also create a drop-down menu and add some values. Now our address section is complete. I hope you learned something from this video. Watch the video till the end without skipping so you understand the full tutorial. Now we will add other required fields in the form like education. I will fast forward this part because it's the same as what I showed above. Next is skills, which is basic for any job. A person can have multiple skills, and the job they apply for may require skills that are useful or not useful for our company. So here we will add multiple skills using checkboxes so the user can select their skills. You will see the checkbox option above. Click on it. Give space and write the skills required for our company, like first MS Office, then Adobe Photoshop, and add some more options. Now our form is almost ready. I will tell you some basic settings. For fields that are mandatory, you can mark them as required, so it shows that filling them is necessary. You can change the date format, fix the size of text fields, and resize them by dragging with the mouse. After this, save the form and open it to check if it's working properly. When you open it, you will see normal text fields working fine. Radio buttons for male and female are working. Drop-down menu is working. And multiple checkboxes are working correctly. But there is one problem I forgot to mention earlier. If you add multiple radio buttons on one page, selecting one option deselects the other. For example, if you select male, female gets deselected, and vice versa. To solve this, we need to group radio buttons separately. Each group should have a different name so that options in one group work independently from others. To change this, open Form Editing again, go to the Gender section, select the radio buttons, and change their group names. Change the group name for the female radio button as well. Now when you open the form, both sections will work independently. I will zoom in and show you both working perfectly. Everything I have taught you so far will be very helpful. If this video was at least a little helpful to you, please like and share it. Part 19. If you have any problems or want to know something else, ask in the comments below. I will try to solve your problems. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.